again. Glad to hear you made it through another night.
Yeah, Joe, I'm here. You've been doing great so far. But tonight, you got another new threat to worry about. Foxy.
Fox's been pretty quiet up until now, but tonight he's gonna get more active. He's not gonna roam around like Balloon Boy or Spring Bonnie. He's got his own way of causing trouble.
Foxy's gonna be on his stage. If you see him trying to escape, that's when you need to worry. I mean, if he's leaning out, looking like he's ready to run, you've got to act fast.
When Foxy seems like he's about to make a break for it, close those curtains immediately using the button on your monitor. You can't just leave them shut. If you keep them closed for too long, something happens with some kind of sensors on the fella. Can't be in a closed environment like that for too long. Basically, it'll automatically activate them and, well, it'll force those curtains wide open.
Yeah, and you don't want that. Once Foxy's out, he's fast. Really fast.
Well, speaking of Foxy, I remember something Henry was working on. Something about controlling the animatronics remotely or using them for, I don't know, like experiments or something. And it was right before the night guard noticed that Fredbear was tampering with.
Joe! What the hell are you going on about? That's enough! Focus on the job, not on things that don't concern us.
Right, sorry about that. I don't know. With Henry still missing and all, it kind of makes you wonder, like, what was he really up to? And there's the new Freddy Fazbear's Pizza opening up later this year.
Joe, I said that's enough! We're not here to talk about that. Stick to the script. We're here to help him survive, not gossip like old ladies. Or do you want him to end up like the others?
No, of course not. I just... Okay, you know what? Back to Foxy. Remember, you gotta manage those curtains carefully. Close them when it looks like he's about to come out. Don't keep him closed for too long. Just, long enough to make him back off. Joanne, you're sounding a bit off tonight. Everything alright?
Oh, I'm fine, Joe. Alright, listen up. Before you go around touching anything, there's some stuff that you need to know. That closet in front of you, mostly empty. But behind you, there's a door. Open the door. Grab the supplies from the box. It's probably going to be dark in the other room, so you use your flashlight to see. Once you're holding the item, turn back around and place it where I tell you to. Simple. Except, everything you do is going to make noise. The door, the box, your footsteps, and you even talking to me right now. That noise, it draws attention. Spring Bonnie and Fredbear are already lurking nearby. They will come for you if you screw up. If you open the door and Spring Bonnie's there, just shine your flashlight right in his face. Don't stop until he backs off. Fredbear's different. If he shows up in the room, turn off the closet light and don't move. Not even a single twitch. Got it? Hopefully. Let's stock the shelves fast and clean. Start with the 4 pizza boxes. Put them on the left side of the second shelf. Easy, right? Nice. Next, place the 6 paper towel rolls on the left side of the third shelf. Alright, put the 6 tissue boxes on the right side of the same shelf. You will have 2 extras. Those go on the right side on the top shelf. Good, good. 3 spray bottles. Stick them on the left of the top shelf. One last thing. Take the first 5 duct tape rolls. They go on the right side of the third shelf. Then, take the last two and put them on the right of the top shelf, next to the tissues. Closet stocked. You're done.